In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Instagram account in 2021. This will work from anywhere on any device, so you can do this on iOS and Android. So what you want to do is download the Instagram app on your phone, open it, and then you can click on sign up with email or phone number. So you want to click right there. Now what you can do is use your phone number to sign up for an account, or you can use your email. If you're going to go with email, make sure that you can actually confirm that email is yours, because otherwise it's not going to work. So choose whatever you would like. Once you've done that, you can add your name to your account. So my channel is called How To Digital. We'll do that. You can then choose to continue and sync your contacts, or you can do it without that. I'm going to click on without, since this is just a test account. Next up, you want to type in a password. So I'm just going to go with a random one. It doesn't really matter if you guys see this because I'm going to delete this anyway. So test password, click next, then add the birth date. So I'll go with this one. Next up, you can choose your username on Instagram. So I would like to go with How To Digital 9876. If you then click on next, you're going to sign up for your account. And there we go. Right now, I have my own account. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know if it works in the comments below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.